Here we are controlling some LED pixels using the all new Lights WL16 controller, and we are using Resolume to make this happen. So I'm gonna explain how Resolume is set up. Select outputs and select advanced, and you will get this window. You can add a DMS Lumniverse. It's actually DMX Universe. You can add that. When you add, you will get DMX Universe 1, this thing, and if you select this, you will have to select. Actually, it will be no output initially. Then you will have to select IP. So I have already entered the IP, or sometimes it automatically takes the IP. So this is the IP. I have selected that, and then I can select the start device. You will have to use at least start from the first universe. Then you can set the frame rate whichever you like. If you have like 1000 pixels per port, you can set up to 40 fps. If you have 1500 pixels per port, you should put only 20 fps. So I'm having only 150 LEDs here, so I have added two strings of 50 LEDs. The first one starts from channel 1 to 150, that you can set here. Start channel on the other side. Okay, you can set the start channel based on this. You can change start channel like this, or you can change it like this. Okay, I set it from first one. This is the first one, and we select the other one. The other also starting from start channel is 49. Actually, it has to start from 151. Okay, since we have 50 LEDs in the first channel, that will consume 150 channels. You have 50 LEDs in the second one, that will consume another 150 channels. Okay, and make sure you have the thing to the right IP pointing, so the computer will be connected via a cable. Computer will be connected via cable onto a router or a switch. Then you can connect the router to the lights controller. Then let's see it. Hit save changes, save and close. Then you can select any deck and start the playback. So the playback begins. This is how it works. Select this red one and this one. Actually, since we are having only some melodies here, you won't be able to grasp how the design is being done. So you can stop it here. I'm gonna check static effect. It doesn't change. That will be the effect coming out of that. And there is this effect that produces this. And you can have yellow and mix up. You have three ducks here, and you can select multiple of them, and you can have a mix match. So, this is how it's done. And if you have to make sure the data is coming, you can see the data packets in the controller in bridge mode. Okay, you have 4 modes here. You will have to select bridge mode when you are sending data from your PC to the controller. In input output channels, you have to select input channels. Since this is Resolume is still running, there will be some delay, a lot of which. In input channel, I have set one channel and active. I have set it to odd net. You can select even 3-1 multicast unicast. You can set the start channel, end channel, and the size of the universe. It's critically important to select the size of the universe based on the software you use. Some software use 510 channels for 170 pixels. Some others use consume the 112 channels to make sure they're utilizing maximum capacity. passed in. Then you can set up the output channels. So in the output channels, you can either transmit even31, ArtNet, or DDP. In the output channels, you can set output even31, ArtNet, or DDP to other controllers. And you have BBB strings. In that, you have to choose the start channel number of pixels. These are the ports. You will be seeing right here it's 48 ports. This is a older version of the software. You will be only able to see 16 ports. So in that, you can choose the start channel, number of pixel count, for the direction of the lighting, select the color arrangement of the pixel. Some will be RGB, HRB, and combination of that. You can select null pixels and zigzag count. If you put like you have 150 pixels, you have zigzagging at 50 pixel, you put 50 here, you will get a zigzag pattern. That and select the brightness. I usually go with 30% in brightness for normal cases. If it is outdoor well-lit situations, I'll have to crank it up to 100%. This is how you have to set it. That's all. Then you have to go to the status page. You have to go to the status page. You can see the changing the number of packets based on the packets being sent by software through the network port to the controller. Based on these packets, the controller will try the pixels.